You've been told your credit score matters, but nobody ever told you why it matters, or how much money you're actually losing because of a number you probably don't fully understand. Today, we're fixing that. I'm Reid, and this is Wealth Unlocked. Here's the truth most people don't know. Your credit score doesn't just affect whether you get a loan approved, it affects the interest rate on that loan. It affects your car insurance premiums. In some states, it even affects whether you get hired for a job. A bad credit score isn't just embarrassing, it's expensive, really expensive. So what actually is a credit score? It's a 3-digit number, between 300 and 850. It tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. The higher your score, the more they trust you. The more they trust you, the better deals you get. Simple concept, massive real-world impact. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your score is built from 5 things. Number 1, payment history, 35% of your score. Number 2, how much credit you're using, 30%. Number 3, length of your credit history, 15%. Number 4, new credit applications, 10%. Number 5, types of credit you have, 10%. That's it, 5 factors, nothing more, nothing less. And the number 1 mistake people make? They max out their credit cards, or get close to the limit, and wonder why their score keeps dropping. That second factor, credit utilization, is silently destroying millions of scores right now. The golden rule? Never use more than 30% of your available credit limit. Let me show you exactly how much this costs you. Say you're buying a home, $300,000 mortgage. With a credit score of 760 or above, your interest rate might be around 6.5%. With a score of 620, that same bank charges you 8.5%. That's a difference of over $130,000 over the life of that loan. One number, $130,000. So how do you improve your score? Fast. 3 things you can start today. First, pay every single bill on time. Set up autopay, no excuses. Second, get your credit card utilization below 30%. Pay down balances where you can. Third, don't apply for new credit unless you absolutely have to. Every application chips away at your score. Your credit score is one of the most powerful financial tools you have. And the best part, you can rebuild it, no matter where you're starting from. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, because next week we're talking about the budgeting method that actually works in 2026. I'm Reid. Keep building your wealth, one smart move at a time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. It really helps the channel. See you in the next one.